Hi, my friend. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to see the heat map in TradingView and understand how to use it effectively for your trading analysis. Whether you're a beginner trying to explore TradingView for the first time, or an experienced trader looking to make data-driven decisions, this TradingView stock heat map tutorial will help you master one of the most useful tools on the platform. To get started, open your browser and go to the official TradingView website. Once the homepage loads, you'll immediately notice a wide range of tools designed for traders of all levels, from charting and indicators to screeners and market data. It's a complete hub for technical and fundamental analysis. Now, look at the top navigation bar. This is where you'll find access to all TradingView products and features. Hover your cursor over the Products section, usually visible on the main menu. From the drop-down list, you'll see several options, such as charts, screeners, and heat maps. Click on Heat Maps. This will open a visual overview of the market's performance, what we call a TradingView heat map. The heat map uses color-coded tiles to display the movement of different stocks, indices, or even cryptocurrencies, depending on the category you choose. Green tiles represent gains, while red tiles indicate losses. This simple color visualization helps you instantly identify which sectors or stocks are strong and which are underperforming. If you want to focus on equities, click on the Stocks section inside the heat map. You'll now see the TradingView stock heat map, which displays individual company performance based on their market capitalization and price movement. Larger tiles usually indicate higher market cap companies, while smaller ones represent smaller firms. You can also explore the TradingView Crypto Heat Map if you're into cryptocurrency trading. It works in the same way, showing real-time sentiment and market strength across major coins and tokens. The best part about using a heat map on TradingView is that it gives you a market overview at a glance. Instead of analyzing dozens of charts, you can visually scan for patterns, sector rotation, or emerging trends. This feature is especially useful for day traders and swing traders who rely on quick decision-making. So that's how you can see and use the heat map in TradingView. With this guide, you now understand how to navigate, interpret, and apply TradingView's heat map feature to make more informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching this TradingView heat map explained video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TradingView tips for beginners and advanced trading insights.